Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a comprehensive guide on how you can screen capture your Windows 10 PC. Now, there's a couple of different ways to go about doing this. The way that I recommend is using the Snip in Sketch application. And if you've updated Windows or you're more up to date, you should have this application already on your PC. Now, if your version of Windows 10 is a little bit outdated, then you might only have the snipping tool, but Snip and Sketch is essentially just the updated, newer version of the snipping tool. They both work in a very similar manner, so either one that you use should work just fine. Now, to find either of these programs on your PC, just go over on the taskbar and click the magnifying glass. And again, if you have a more outdated version of Windows 10, you might not have this little magnifying glass here. If that's the case, just click on Cortana. The search function used to be built right into Cortana, but now it's its own separate button. So we're going to click on that. And then down in the search bar area, we're just going to type in Snip. And then if you have Snip and Sketch, then just go ahead and click on that. But again, if you're not completely up to date, you should also have the option to at least click on the snipping tool. But either way, you open up the application, and now we're getting to the point where we can finally start screen capturing. So I'm going to exit out of the snipping tool, but again, it functions in a very similar manner to Snip and Sketch. If you'd like to pin this to your taskbar like I have it on my computer, just hover over the application, right click on it, and click the option that says pin to taskbar. I use it quite a bit, so it's nice to have easily accessible right there on my taskbar. But to start to screen capture, just go ahead and click on New, and then drag and drop a region of your computer screen that you'd like to make an image of. And then in the Snip and Sketch application, we have that image right here, and we can go ahead and crop it if we'd like to make it a little bit smaller. We can draw on it and pen. Maybe we want to search or a circle or point out a certain region of the image, or maybe you want to highlight a certain area of text or something that you want to stand out. But whatever you do in the editing option, when you're done and happy with what you have, you can either copy the image and then paste it somewhere else, or you can also save it to your PC, and it's going to be saved to your pictures folder. Now, to open up your pictures folder, just launch the little file option here that's on your taskbar, and it should open up something that looks like this. And then under this PC, you should have an option that says pictures, either right here on the side or over here in your folders. And when you open that up, you should be able to find this image that you saved. But again, you can also just have the option of copying the image and pasting it somewhere else if you'd like to do that. So there's a ton of different options here. There's also even a share button if you'd like to share it to different areas, such as, Twitter, email, whatever different options that you can share it with. There's just a ton of different options that we have available to us in this Snip and Sketch application to make it really simple to capture either a portion of our screen or the entire screen, edit it how we like, and then save it or share it however we feel necessary to go about our business. So I hope this video was helpful in terms of guiding you guys into the way of how you can make a screen capture of your Windows 10 monitor. I appreciate you stopping by. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys back here for future videos.